Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rolando here. For today's video, I'm going to style a 20-inch closure wig. This is the wig. It's in the mesh. So it's a 4x4 closure wig. And with this wig, it comes with 4 combs inside, 1 here, 2 at the sides, 1 in the back. And it also comes with an adjustable strap for extra security. And this is a transparent lace. And it's just straight. So stay tuned for this tutorial. I'll do my best not to talk too much throughout the video, so you guys just sit back and just enjoy the video. I'll chime in from time to time to explain what I'll be doing. But for the time being, just sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Just a quick side note, so this wig is actually a prize from the giveaway that I had on my Instagram the other day. So shout out to Sweeter Needs who won this unit. So I'll be styling this wig the way she wants it, so stay tuned for that. So I'm just putting the wig onto the wig cap so we can start the styling process. So I got that blockhead actually from Amazon, and that one is 23 inches. So now I'm going in with my Ion Silk Drops. So it's like a heat protectant, really nice. You can find it at Sally's. If you don't have Sally's, then you can always get BioSilk from the beauty supply store, and that works as well. And now I'm going to go in with my blow dryer to kind of straighten out the hair before we proceed with curling. I've actually had this blow dryer for the past 2 years now. I've got it from my local beauty supply, and it's been well so far, so no complaints there. So now I'm going in with the hot comb to straighten out the roots. If you watched my previous video, you would see me talking about why I comb the roots, because it gives me a more realistic way when I'm plucking the hairline. So that's what I'm doing there. And if you guys want a more detailed video into plucking and customization, feel free to leave a comment and I'll go ahead and I'll make a video for you guys. So now we're gonna start the styling process. So with me, I'm just parting out the middle because she wants a middle part with some curls. So it's usually easier for me if I start parting out where the part's gonna go, so I don't have to part it at last minute. In my opinion, it's easier. So I'm using my wand curler, and we're gonna do some loose waves in the hair. So I kind of sped up this video because it's pretty repetitive, so you guys just relax and just enjoy this video. So you give it some nice little bouncy curls, you don't know. And then I'm gonna go in with my Eye Candy Creations wax stick, as mentioned in my previous video. So make sure you guys check that out. If you ever try it, just let me know in the comments what you thought of it. So now I'm just going in with the hot comb to kind of flatten everything at the top and make sure the part is clean and everything. So now we move on to the baby hairs. So baby hairs are a bit tricky. When you're doing it, I would just say take your time. It's not a race. It takes a while for you to fully get into it. I watch a lot of videos, like when it comes to Slade White Jordan or Erica J, and they're really good at what they do. But when it comes to your baby hairs, just take your time and you'll master it. With mine, I'm still getting the hang of it, so we're on this journey together, so don't worry. Yeah, so everything is looking flat and nice now. So we're gonna go in with that little black spray to kind of clean up the part a little bit. I'm very careful when it comes to that spray because I don't want to get any black on the lace. So when you're doing that, just make sure you take your time and do so. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.